Hey everyone, in advance of CES 2026, Samsung has quietly taken the wraps off a new addition to its home audio lineup with the Samsung Music Studio series, a pair of wireless speakers designed to blend refined sound tuning with a modern, gallery-inspired aesthetic. The Music Studio 5 and Music Studio 7 clearly signal Samsung's intention to move beyond purely functional speakers and into products that feel like part of the living space, while still leaning heavily on the company's deep experience in audio engineering. The Music Studio 5 is the more compact and approachable of the two, and it immediately stands out for how effortlessly it fits into smaller rooms or minimalist interiors. Its design is understated but deliberate, with proportions that make it easy to place on a shelf, desk, or sideboard without visually dominating the space. Despite its modest footprint, Samsung has equipped it with a 2.1 channel configuration that includes 2 tweeters and a forward-firing 4-inch woofer. In everyday listening, the Music Studio 5 focuses on clean mids and crisp highs, making vocals, acoustic instruments, and background playlists sound natural and unforced. It feels well-suited to casual music listening, podcasts, or ambient sound throughout the day. Bass performance is handled intelligently through Samsung's AI dynamic bass control, which continuously manages low-frequency output to maintain depth and presence without introducing distortion when the volume is pushed higher. This approach gives the speaker a surprisingly full sound for its size, avoiding the muddy or boomy character that often plagues compact wireless speakers. Stepping up to Music Studio 7 brings a noticeable jump in ambition. This larger model builds on the same design philosophy, but expands it into a more immersive audio experience. The 3.1.1 channel configuration adds front, side, and top-firing tweeters alongside a dedicated subwoofer, allowing the speaker to project sound in multiple directions. This creates a broader sound stage that fills the room more convincingly, making it suitable not just for music, but also for movies, TV audio, and more dynamic listening sessions. The Music Studio 7 also incorporates AI dynamic bass control, but its larger cabinet and added drivers give it more physical presence and authority, especially in the low end. Bass feels deeper and more impactful without overwhelming the rest of the mix. Samsung's Audiolab pattern control technology further refines how sound is dispersed, helping maintain clarity and spatial balance regardless of where you are positioned in the room. Both models integrate seamlessly into Samsung's broader ecosystem through the SmartThings app, which provides intuitive control over settings, playback, and connectivity. Wireless pairing is handled via both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, offering flexibility for different use cases and making it easy to integrate the speakers into multi-room setups or smart home environments. Overall, the Samsung Music Studio series presents a thoughtful blend of design-forward hardware and intelligent audio processing. The Music Studio 5 excels as a compact, elegant speaker for everyday listening, while the Music Studio 7 delivers a richer and more immersive experience for those who want room-filling sound without sacrificing style. While pricing and availability remain under wraps until CES 2026, these early details suggest Samsung is positioning Music Studio as a premium yet approachable home audio solution that prioritizes balance, smart features, and visual harmony as much as sound quality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.